evening students, welcome back to the class. In last class you have studied about sea waves. So today we are going to study about the second movement of sea water, that is tides. Students, let's study about tides. Tides are the periodic rise and fall of water level in the ocean. The rise in the level of the ocean water is known as high tide and the lowering of the water level is known as low tide. The reasons for the tides formations are: the tides are formed as a result of the gravitational pull exerted by the moon and the sun along with the centrifugal force due to the Earth's rotation. Okay students, first let's see the tides formed as a result of gravitational pull exerted by the moon. In this tide formation, there are two kinds of tides are formed: high tide and low tide. Let's examine with this picture. The water level rises on the part of the earth facing the moon. The water rises due to the gravitational pull exerted by the moon, which leads to high tide. The water level at opposite side also has risen because of centrifugal force formed by the earth's rotation. We can see that the water level goes down at the place located 90 degrees away from the place of the tidal influence. This is due to the draining of water towards the tidal region. This phenomena of fall of water level is known as low tide. Students, let's see the second tide formation by the gravitational pull exerted by the sun. The moon is smaller than the sun. The moon's attraction is more powerful than the sun. It is closer to the earth. So there are two kinds of tides are formed. First one, spring tide, and second one, neap tide. The sun, moon and the earth comes in a straight line on the full moon and new moon days. On this day, the tidal force will be intense due to the combined influence of the sun and moon. As a result, the tides formed on these days will be stronger. These are known as spring tides. Okay, next let's see neap tides. The moon and the sun will be at an angular distance of 90 degrees from the earth after 7 days from the full moon and the new moon days. As the sun and the moon attract the earth from an angular distance of 90 degrees, the tides gets weak. These weak tides are known as neap tides. Okay, next let's see what are the effects of these tides. First one, the debris on the seashores and ports are washed off to the deep sea. Second one, the formation of deltas is disrupted due to strong tides. Third one, brackish water or saline water can be collected in salt pan during high tides. Fourth one, the fishermen make use of the tides for going and returning from the sea. Fifth one, tidal energy can be used for power generation. And last, the ships can be brought to shallow harbors during high tides. Okay students, hope that you have understood about the tides. Read your textbook thoroughly. If you have any doubt, you can ask. So be happy and safe at your home. See you in the next class. Thank you.